Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some bathroom treasures. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got some bathroom treasures. First off, we'll open up this one. This is by Amazer Bath. This is the loafer. You've got the back scratcher loafer and you have the regular loafer. This does come in a 2-pack. You can see right here it's got a great quality brush holder. It's on there really tight. It's got a good grip. This is not able to break, so this is very good quality. The sponges is a really good quality. You get another one. You can see it says Amazer. It's got the little handle right here. Definitely a must-have, especially taking your showers. Instead of using washcloths, these are pretty good, especially with body soap. So right here we have another bathroom treasure. And inside this box, you can see you get a set of soap dispensers. This is glass dispensers, so it's kind of got some weight on that. This is a 13.5 ounce. Little nozzle right here. This is the stainless steel. Open it up, you can put in your soap. You got the hose right here. It's pretty good, thick quality. It's on there pretty good. This is very good quality, not cheaply made. You can see the straw here is really thick, so you won't have no issues of getting your soap in here to dispense. Very nice quality. Looks very nice. As well as the other one. They're both stainless steel. This is about 13.5 ounce that holds your liquid. So what we're going to do is we're going to go put our liquid in so you can see what it looks like. And right here we have our first one up, which we did put soap in. The second one has lotion. So you don't actually have to use both of the bottles for soap. I put lotion. You could put shampoo, whatever you want in there. You can see that I did use this already. It looks pretty nice. Looks good as a set. So now we're going to go ahead and make our way to our third box. And this is the soap dispensers. Alright, in our third box we have another bath surprise. So here is some spray bottles. Again, this is glass. They are not plastic, so they're wrapped very well. You've got your spray nozzles up at the top. This is glass, very good quality, as well as the other ones. This is as well 13.5 ounce to hold your fluid, whether it'll be Windex or whatever you want to use it for. I just recommend being careful with this because this is glass. These are a really nice set. The top, it kind of looks a little cheap, but they actually work very well. You also get some tops, so if you don't want to use this as a spray bottle, you can actually use this as a regular bottle. You just remove this sprayer top. You can see the hose right here. And then just put the top on, and you can make this as just a regular bottle. You get 2 of them for both of them. So you can use it as a regular bottle or a spray bottle. I just caution to be careful because this is glass and glass does break. But overall, this is a very good quality. I would definitely recommend these. If you are interested in these, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button.